May binuong programa yung ating provincial government na tinatawag na Team Basilan, wherein all stakeholders are doing their part. It is not only the APM-PNP but as well as the local government and other NGO.
So, you commended yung mga efforts na natin?
Yeah, all the things we are doing in our concerted efforts of everybody.
Sir, ano po yung stand nila dito sa bansang yung ginagawa ng AFP? Lagi kayong
Of course, we are always in partner with the AFP in conducting peace effort to our friends like the MILF and others.
Including RIDO?
Yeah, meron na kaming program na in order to settle yung mga RIDO problem within Basilan. So as I said, lahat ng stakeholders ay nagtutulong-tulong to come up with a peaceful resolution of RIDO cases.
Sir, hindi natuloy yung RIDO natin sa submissive.
Yeah.
How do you call that? Failure sa
But
AFP side?
no, I think lack of coordination lang, but later on we will schedule it for another time.
Sir, meron po kayong mga advocacy na gusto nyo i-promote?
Yeah, yung ginagawa natin dito, tuloy-tuloy yung settlement sa mga RIDO cases as well as yung coordination natin sa AFP para mapaigting yung kapayapaan dito sa Basilan.
Sige sir, maraming salamat.
Okay, welcome. Thank you rin.